Helping refugees of a country at war can feel daunting, but there are several ways to help. The most satisfying way is perhaps by volunteering. If you have specialized skills to offer, research specific organizations that could use your help, or consider embedding with an established one already on the ground, like World Central Kitchen. Of course, donations always help, but do your due diligence. We like to support small grassroots organizations like Care for Ukraine and Keep the Kids Learning. A little money goes a long way with this lean and mean operation. And moral support does matter, especially when propaganda can manipulate during the fog of war. Don't spread false information, and if you see some, push back and report it. Finally, stay steadfast. Don't give in to fatigue and forget about a place after the cameras stop filming. This is when your help can be more crucial and effective than ever.